Guys, so if you're a virtual assistant or a digital marketing freelancer or want to become one, you're probably struggling with what kind of services you should be offering so you can have the most impact on your clients' businesses and make the most money for you. So the first thing I want to tell you is stop being a generalist, stop calling yourself a virtual assistant, stop calling yourself a digital marketing freelancer, because that means nothing, because that either means you can do all of the things, which is like superhuman, or that means you're a beginner and you've not yet focused or narrowed down on what your specialty is. So the first thing is pick one thing, pick one specialization. Even if you have to spend a couple of weeks or months learning it, that's okay, because at the end of it you are going to become an expert, and that expertise can get you much more high package prices than a general virtual assistant name could ever get you. The other thing is these packages or the services I'm going to talk about, you can offer them as packaged services. So you can charge on a project base, which means that you can charge much higher than what you would charge if you were working hourly, which is great because eventually that's what we want to go, right? There's no point scaling your business if you're still working hourly, because that means you'll have to add more hours to your business rather than more. I mean, you have to add more clients to get more hours, but that means you're again trading time for money. Then better you get a job, right? Because it's the same thing. If you're trading time for money, it's better to have a predictable income coming in than to be working and struggling to get clients and then working with those clients but still getting paid hourly. So let's talk about the services you can start offering that will be packaged services, and you can kind of charge on a project basis. So the number one thing is becoming a launch strategy and implementation expert. So everyone out there in the online business is launching something, right? People are either launching a course, or they're launching a coaching program, or they're launching a group program. The info product industry is in the billions of dollars, and it's only going to grow because self-education is becoming huge, and this is your chance to learn everything you can about helping other businesses with their launches, so that you can really start upping your prices and you can really actually start making an impact on others' businesses. A launch involves a lot of different things, right? From design to copy to funnels to email automation, chat marketing, everything, right? So if you are looking to go the agency route, where you want to build an agency out of your business, then this is the perfect place to start, because a launch requires a lot of different moving pieces, and if you can build a team where you implement each of those pieces for them, you can start charging $5,000, $10,000 per project, and really implement something for your client that would help them grow their business. So the second point is setting up the course backend or membership backend. This is could be a part of the launch, or maybe it could be a completely separate service that you offer, where you're helping your clients implement the backend of their course. So you can help them automate client or student onboarding. You can help them set up the emails that go out as a welcome sequence. You can help them set up the videos that go into the course on a platform like Teachable, Kartra, Kajabi, whatever it is, right? So this is a great service to offer, because again, you can productize the service and you can have a template for each client that comes in. So you're not spending a lot of time in starting from scratch every time you have a new client, and you also save time and effort, but still can charge more because you're providing the same value. So that's a great service to offer. The third thing is become a chat marketing expert. So if you know me even a little bit, you know that this is how I started, and this is how I made a name in the online industry. I was a messenger marketing expert, which is basically setting up messenger bots for clients. And now chat marketing is so much beyond messenger, right? There's text marketing, there is WhatsApp marketing, there is a combination of setting setting up email with messenger and text. So this is a great service to offer, because then you're just standing out from everyone else out there doing just the regular things. You're becoming a real expert, and chat marketing is going to be huge in the next 2 to 5 years. Like, everyone's going to start using SMS marketing. WhatsApp is going to be huge because Facebook is focusing on connecting WhatsApp with Messenger and Instagram DMs, which they've mentioned themselves. So it's going to become a huge industry and a huge service to offer. So definitely, if you're someone who likes technology plus marketing, this is a great place to start. The fourth is becoming a specialist in a particular marketing tool. So you could pick up a tool like Kajabi or Kartra, which is like an all-in-one business platform. You can set up anything and everything in these tools. You can set up their funnels, you can set up their website, emails, help desk. There are tons of things that you can do. So you can become an expert in one of these tools and tell your clients that I can set up your entire business using these tools. And what this will do is, since you are setting up everything for your client, you can also get on a monthly retainer with them and tell them, I'll charge $400 every month, and if you have something new that's come up, I'll set it up for you. You can even charge like eventually $1,000 a month, because again, if someone has an online business and they're planning to launch often, or they're planning to create new funnels often, this is something that'd be a great monthly retainer service as well. And the last service that I want to talk about is becoming a systems and automation expert and helping your clients with the systemizing their processes side of their business. So you can help them set up a tool like Dapsado, which is like, it completely automates the client management process, where you can onboard clients, you can schedule calls, you can send out contracts, invoices. And the other thing would be a project management tool like Trello, Asana, or ClickUp, where you help your clients completely processize and systemize their business by using a project management tool and setting up the different boards, setting up the different lists, creating workflows, which is also becoming really important when businesses start to grow and scale. Because if they don't have the right systems in place, if they don't have the right processes, it becomes really difficult to hire people, outsource work, and really grow. So these are my suggestions when it comes to what kind of services you should be offering, especially if you're trying to move out from the hourly rate services. And I think the earlier you do it, the better it is. I never worked on an hourly basis, just because I knew that the value I'm providing to my client is much more than the $100 they would pay me if I would work for 2 hours for them. And the other thing is, once you start getting paid on a project basis in a package manner, so $2,000 for this entire project and those kind of things, people start looking at you as an expert, which is really important when you're at that 6-month, 1-year mark in your business, when you're trying to push and really scale and grow from there. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.